Right, cleaning the back of my laptop. I've undone all the screws. As you can probably see on there, that's dust that has just been, when I've lifted it up, has come through. And see how much dust is in them grills. Obviously stopping the airflow, making the computer overheat. So I need to clean all that. Taking that one off, that's not as bad, but that needs doing as well. The rest of the computer cleaning, it's an easy job. Get some of this, or the like, air duster. Get it off eBay, pretty cheap. Got to be careful with it because you don't want it. It's not so bad on these grills, but when you get to your computer, you want to make sure it's not actually kicking any of the fluid out. So, quickly show you. Very simple. Right, so here's the dust. Turn inside out. Keep this can straight upright. Oh, you can see it all coming out there. Do the same on the inside just to get all this off. Small bursts out of this can, 2 or 3 seconds, or you'll get. Don't do it upside down because that's what you get. Do it straight like that. Same thing with the rest of it. Hardly any dust in that, but obviously give it all a go. And actually do the computer itself, because all that dust that's on there. Quick blasts inside the fan. See all the crap coming out there. Also, you see all the dust has come on there, straight on the back of that grill. That's basically the gist of it. I've set all the screws up when I've taken them out. I set them up in the line of how they've come out, so I know they're going to go back in the right place. And it goes to cleaning. Now, got a cat, which means cat hairs, which means they get under the keyboard. Need a brush like this. It's a brush that comes with a pack for flat screen TVs, so easy to use. Just go along and you'll get absolutely ton, if you've got a cat obviously. Maybe it's just you that molts a lot, I don't know. But you need to take a few minutes doing this. Get all the hairs off as you're going, because if not you're going to be brushing them back under. You're going to need to vacuum after this. But yeah, as you can see that, but a lot are coming up. Just getting in between the keys. See on the brush itself. Keep getting that off. If not, you're going to be putting them back under the keys, which isn't clever. Keep going backwards and forwards, get all that done. After this, give it all a wipe over. Obviously all the keyboard needs cleaning. Get some screen cleaner, clean the screen, put it all back together. It'll run a lot cooler, a lot quieter, because the fan won't be going crazy trying to keep up. And hopefully it should last again. It was about a year ago I'd last did this, so I hope that's helped. Make sure you put it back together properly.